You're here with me, but I don't know where I belong. You let me hear your heart while I keep hiding my own. I don't know what this closeness is meant to be. Am I only someone safe or someone you could want near? That is why it aches so softly. The friendship keeps growing stronger while I hide what it means to me. And every time my heart sings a little, every time you say a name that isn't mine. Another guy, another date, another maybe, and I keep smiling like I'm perfectly fine. You're speaking as someone who trusts me, oh man. I'm listening as someone who hopes to be chosen. Two hearts standing close, but not in the same place. You give me your thoughts, I hide the hurt on my face. You think aloud with me, like I am gentle enough to hear, and I stay even when it hurts just to remain near. Maybe you know, maybe you don't see. Maybe I've become too good at hiding what you mean to me. I don't walk away, I fold the feeling deep. Some feelings stay awake long after we should sleep. And every time my heart sings a little, not because you leave, but because I don't know. You let me close, but not close enough to see if I'm someone in your heart, or just someone you trust deeply. Still I stay with all this hate unnamed, smiling through the softness, keeping close despite the pain. I whisper through the pain, I'm not asking you to choose, but not knowing where I stand still feels a little like rain. I am not losing you, I'm just holding this too deep. All the things I feel for you stay quiet before sleep.